Here's a video of our Christmas tree. I've got all the ornaments on it and the lights that I plan on getting. I'm very proud of her. Steve calls it our Hanukkah bush, but it is our first Christmas tree as a couple, and I love it. It has, of course, it's blue. It's blue and silver. I did put some gold and blue and white lights. So it does have gold to represent my sorority. It has some special ornaments that I got, like this one. In this house, we celebrate twinkling lights, love, and latkes, Christmas trees and menorahs. Of course, I've got some poodles, and we also have a memorial Christmas ornament for Jack, who went over the Rainbow Bridge a couple of Christmases ago, and that's for him. And let's see, here's another poodle ornament that Steve bought me. And here is a blue and white poodle ornament that I got in Hanukkah colors. Here is a interracial Santa and Mrs. Claus that I got for us. And here is a couple of holding hands that I was able to find. Looks like the man is black and the woman is white, but it still is an interracial couple, and that represents us. Let's see what we got down here. Another poodle, of course. And we've got Sigma Gamma Rho in glitter gold. And then I've got a blue one on the other side. Oh, and here it is. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to hold it up behind my hand. A blue and white glass Star of David. Let's see. Oh, and this one just came in today. Steve hasn't even seen it yet. Oh, where do you get this? Okay, see, that's a picture of me and Jessica and Steve. Well, I guess I'll just take it off the tree so y'all can see it better. Picture of me, picture of Steve, and our names in Christmas hats. Yeah, he hasn't come home yet, so he hasn't seen that one. Let's see, what else do we have? There was another new one that I put on here that I can't find. Anyway, also a new thing is I got a lit up star, and then the blue and gold lights are new. He hasn't seen those. So let's see. I could have sworn there was another specialty ornament that came. No idea. Oh, it was a Rainbow Bridge one, the one with us in the Santa hats, and then the blue and white. Yeah, I showed you guys all. Okay, so anyway, that's why. And then I've got the skirt. And that came in today. That hides all the battery packs and everything. And everything is battery operated, so I don't have to plug anything in. And and just have to put batteries in everything. But anyway, we love you. Here is a video of our Christmas tree. I know you all do 3, but I am really proud of this one. I put a lot of effort in getting the specialty ornaments, especially the ones for me and Steve and everything, and he really likes it, so I hope you guys like it too. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.